With QuickLog, you can quickly set up shortcuts to add items into Notion databases. Let's add something to the personal database. Here you can see the workout I started 1 hour and 19 minutes ago, and I can choose to end it now, and you'll see it immediately updates in the timeline in the Notion database. I can then jump to view the item in Notion, or I can choose to start a new event. For example, meditate. You'll see that also appears in the database. Here I have another QuickLog shortcut set up to add to a medication log. I tap it and I can see that it's 6 hours and 8 minutes since I took some ibuprofen. I can choose to mark that as no duration and start a new event. Let's say I take a paracetamol. You'll see that that gets added to the medication log database in Notion. The database template comes with multiple useful views. You can see the most recent items, how long ago they ended, what time they were performed, any notes you made. You can view the week by event to get an idea of how certain events compare across different days in the week. And there are many more views in the supplied database template. The shortcut contains over 200 actions and is customizable to be used with existing databases. Check out QuickLog at fastnotion.net.